Hello world, welcome back to my channel. I am Sahil and we are developing a complete secure authentication and post management system using Node.js, MongoDB, express.js and EJS templating engine. And in previous video you have already seen how I worked on profile page logout functionality, protecting routes, guest routes and active nav links. Now today in this video I am going to show you how to work on forgot password and reset password page to make them dynamic. Okay, so let's start. So this is my project inside VS Code, and here I already started npm run dev command. Okay, now here if I go to forgot password page, then okay, so here we are getting some error that active is not defined. Okay, so let me first fix this bug. Actually, if I open this auth routes and go to forgot password, so this is the forgot password get method route. Now here I forgot to use this active, so let's copy and give it here. Just change this value to forgot. Similarly in reset password page also just use this active and just write reset. Now if I save this and go to the browser and reload, then you can see forgot password page is now working. Okay, so now first what I will do is I will send this email to this file authroutes.js file, and there I will check if the existing email ID is available in the database. If yes, then we will send a reset link to the email ID. Okay, so let's first open the view of forgot password.ejs file. Here in form tag you can see there is an attribute action, and here I will change the value to forgot -password. Okay, here you can see method is post, so we have to define a post method to handle this form in authroutes.js file. Okay, so let's go to authroutes.js file and just go below. Here I will write a comment first: handle forgot password post request, and here I will write router.post method post method, and here I will write the name of the route, so just write forgot -password, and I will use async and then request a response. Okay, so first what I will do is I will get the email from the form. So here I will use const, and then I will destructure the email from the request body. So here I will write the request.body. If I just use console log and just write email here, save and go to the browser, reload and just write any email ID here, and if I click on reset password and if I go to here and check in the terminal, then we are getting the email. Okay, so it means the email is coming from this form to this file properly. Now we can proceed further. Okay, so next what I will do is I will use a try and catch block to handle any exception. Okay, so in catch I will use this same code, so let's copy and paste here. Okay, just change this redirect to forgot password in when something went wrong. Okay, so now we only need to work on this try block. So first what I will do is I will try to find the user from the database with this email ID. Okay, so here I will create a const user is equal to await, and then I will use user model, then find one method, and here I will pass the email. Okay, so if user will present in database with this email ID, then we will sign the user into this user constant. Okay, and then what I will do is if user is not present in the database, then here I will check a condition first. So here I will check if not user, then we can simply send a flash message to the forgot password page. So here I can write user not found with this email, and here I will use return redirect to forgot password. Okay, and if user is found, then we will send the reset link to the email ID. Okay, so let me first create a random token which I will send with the reset password link. Okay, and we will also store that token for this user in the database. Okay, so how to create a random token? So we can use const token is equal to, we can use math dot random method, and then I will use toString function, and here I will use 36, and then I will slice, and then I will use 2. Okay, now let me just console log this token first, and now if I reload this page, okay, just go to forgot password page, write any email ID here which is available in the database. So let me show you with this email ID. This is my database, MongoDB database, and this user is already available with this email ID in the database. So if I click on reset password, then here in the terminal you can see the token, a random token is generating and displaying here. Okay, so now we will save this token first to the database. Okay, so how to save? So let's remove this, and here I can just write user dot token is equal to token, and then I will use await user dot save. Now this will save the token to the database for this user only. Okay, and then we will send an email to this email ID. Okay, with the reset link. Now to send the email, we will use node mailer, and this package is already installed. You can see this is the node mailer package which I already installed. Now to send email, I will use mail trap for testing. Okay, so let me go to mail trap. Here I already created an account. This is free. You can create an account to mail trap, and then you have to create an inbox, and then I already created a demo inbox. You can see here. Now in integration you will find this section, code sample section. Now just go to Node.js and you will get this code. Okay, this sample code. Now just copy this code, and here in auth.routes.js file I will paste in the top. Okay, and here I will write a comment, node mailer credential. You can also use these credential like this user password, port, and this host inside this .env file, and then you can use it here. Okay, you can use process.env, and then you can use that host, and but I will keep this as it is. And then here you can see, and there is a link where that is of nodemailer.com. If you click on this, then you will be redirected to the nodemailer.com official website. Okay, now from here I will, if you scroll below, then you will find, okay, so this piece of code. So I will use this. Let me copy this one, and let's come here. Now go to the forgot password post request. So here just below here I will paste this in paste this code, and now here what I will do is I will change this to my channel name, that is Decode Mania, and here you can use any email ID. Here I'm just using my email ID, that is info@decodemania.com. So this is the from address. Okay, and here in to I will use the user email. So here just write email. Okay, and in subject I will write password reset, and in text you can write anything, but I will write reset your password, reset your password. And now this is the HTML. So here we will create an link and send. So here I will create a p tag, and let me close this p tag, and here I will write a message like click this link to reset your password. And then here I will use an anchor tag, so just use anchor tag, close this anchor tag first, and inside this I will use href is equal to href, and inside this I will use http, and then localhost, then the port is 3000, and then slash reset password, the name of the reset password route, that is reset password. And then I will also use the token. Okay, so here I will use token. Okay, let me use string literal instead of this. Okay, now we can use the token variable like this here. Okay, and then in text I will use reset password. Okay, and then I can also use a br tag, and then I can write thank you. You can design this template whatever you like, but I will send a simple one. Okay, now next what I will do is I will check a condition that if info dot message id, now when email is sent successfully, then this info constant will return a message id. So we are checking if info dot message id, it means if there is any message id, then we will use request dot flash, and then we will use success, and then here I will write password reset link has been sent to your email. Okay, and here I can redirect like a raise dot redirect to the forgot password. And if the mail is not sent, then in this case we will also use request dot flash error, and here we will write error sending email. Okay, and let me copy the same thing and paste here. Okay, so I think all done. Now it's time to test. Okay, so we are getting some issue like failed running server. Okay, so where is the issue? Transport. Okay, let me check above. Okay, so we have created this node mailer instance with the transport, but here I'm using transporters, that's why we are getting error. Okay, so can change this transporter to transport. Now if I say okay, still we are getting. Okay, so we are getting node mailer is not defined. Okay, so we have to import the node mailer package above. Okay, so let me just use here import node mailer from node mailer. Okay, if I save this, now you can see server is restarting, so let's wait. Okay, now you can see server is running at localhost 3000. Now let's test this. So if I go to forgot password page, actually to display the flash messages, error and success messages, if I go to login.ejs, then let's copy this and go to forgot password.ejs file, and here I will paste this to display the success or error message. Now if I save this, now go to browser and reload. Now let me write any email id which is not available in the database. Okay, so let me remove this one, and if I click on reset password, then you are getting this, we are getting this user not found with this email id. Now let's try to write the correct email id which is present in the database, and if I click on reset password, then you can see it is processing. Now let's wait. Okay, now here you can see password reset link has been sent to your email. Okay, so before going to check the email, let me go to the database, and here if I refresh, then let me show you. So I have used this email. Okay, and here you can see there is a token created here for this user only. Okay, now this token is sent in the email id. Let me show you. So go to your mail trap inbox, and here I just received an email with the subject password reset. If I open this, then this is the HTML message that click this link to reset your password, and this is the thank you. Now if I hover here, then you can see the it is showing the address with the token. Okay, now if I click on this, then we are going to this route, reset password route. Okay, along with this token, but here we are getting cannot get reset password. Okay, let me close this, cannot get reset password, and this is the token. Okay, because we have not defined this type of route. So let me go to auth.js file, and let's find the reset password. Okay, so this is the reset password, and here I will do some changes. Okay, so here what I will do is I will, okay, here I will just use a parameter token. Okay, and then inside this I will create a const, and first I will get the token, and from the parameter, so here I can use request.params. Okay, and then I will get the user. I will try to find the user with this token from the database. So let's write const user is equal to await user model dot find one. I will use find one method, and here I will pass the token, and then what I will do is I will check. Okay, so we have to use async here, async, because we are using await inside this function. Okay, now here I'll check a condition. If not user, it means if the user is not available in the database with this token, then in this case I will use request.flash, and then I will write error, and then here I will write link expired or invalid, and then here I will return raise dot redirect to the forgot password page. Okay, and in case if user is not found, then we will redirect to the forgot password page with this flash message, or if user is found, then we will redirect to the reset password page. So you will render the reset password page. Okay, so let's try. Now if I reload, so okay, so you can see we are redirected to this reset password page, because with this token there is a user available in the database. Now we can use new password, and if I click on update password, then the new password will be updated for this user which contains this token only. Okay, so let's process this reset password page form request. Okay, so now next what I will do is I will go to the this reset password .ejs file, and here what I will do is I will first change this action to /reset -password, and now inside this I will create a hidden input field, okay, with the type hidden, name token, and value token, and we will pass the token from here actually. Okay, so we can just pass this token here like this, so we can display here in this hidden input field. Okay, we are passing it this token here. Now we'll send this token again to the post method route, okay, along with this new password and confirm password value. Okay, and I think all done. Let me go to forgot password .ejs file, copy this success and error message alerts and paste here. Okay, now go to auth routes.js file. Here I will handle the reset password post request. Okay, so just go below, and here I will write a comment, handle reset password post request, and here I will use router dot post, and then I will use I will use reset password instead of forgot. Okay, so just write reset icon password, and then I will use async request and response. Now I will get all the form data from the request.body. So let me first just use console log request.body to check what are the fields value coming in this request body. Okay, so if I save this and go to the browser, if I write new password and confirm password, and if I click on update password button, okay, so we are redirecting. Let me go to the view reset password page. Okay, so this is the submit button, update password, reset password, so this is correct. Let me go to auth routes, and okay, so all good, I think. If I reload, let me first reload this page. Okay, now let's fill the new password and confirm password, click on update password. Now if I go to the terminal, then here you can see we are getting the token, new password, and confirm password. It means all the data from the form is coming to this post request, which is fine. Now we can proceed further. Okay, so let's remove this console log and close the request. Now here what I will do is, first I will create a const, and I will destructure the token and new password, new underscore password, and confirm underscore new underscore password from the request body. So just use request body, and then I will use a try catch block. Okay, and in the catch I will just use same and paste here. Instead of forgot password, I will use reset password. Okay, now in try I will first try to find the user from the database using the token. Okay, so let's create a const user is equal to await user model find one method, and here I will pass the token. So it will fetch the user which have this token. Okay, now next I will check if condition, if new underscore password is not equal to confirm new password, then in this case I will send a flash message that request.flash, and in error I will send password do not match, and we can use return redirect to the reset password page along with the token. Okay, so here I will use string literal, sorry, slash and then the token. Okay, and if both the password are identical, then in this case we will again check a condition. If not user, it means if user is not found in the database with this token, then we can also send a request.flash error, and then I will write invalid token message, and we will use return raise.redirect to the forgot password page, because token is invalid, so user need to request a new token. Okay, so you will redirect to the forgot password page. Now next what I will do is, now in all the true condition, what we will do is I will first reset the password. So I will use user password is equal to await, and then we will use bcrypt dot hash, and then I will hash the new password. Okay, so I will just write new password, and then here I will pass the salt, which is 10 round. Okay, and then I will also make the token null, so user dot token is equal to null, and then I will save to the database. So just use await dot user dot save, and then I will send request.flash. I will send a success message that password reset successfully, so success, and then password reset successful, and then we will redirect to the login page. So redirect to the login page. Okay, I think all done. Now let's try to test this. So let me first go to the database, and let me refresh. So this user requested for password reset, and you can see token is still in the database. Okay, and here I already opened this link, reset password link, and this is the link, and this is the page. If I reload, now we have to write a new password. So here I will use 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here if I write any other password and click on update password, then you can see we are getting password do not match. Okay, so we have to enter both the password similar, identical. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now if I click on update password, then you can see we are getting password reset successful, and we are redirected to the login page. Okay, now let me first go to the database and refresh, and let me show you. Okay, so here you can see token is now null. Okay, and if I try to log in with the previous password, then we are getting invalid email or password. Let me try new password, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if I click on login, then only we can able to access this profile page. So this is all about forgot password and reset password. I have used Node Mailer library to send email, and I have used this mail trap for testing. Okay, you can use any SMTP library. Like if you want, you can also use Gmail SMTP. Okay, you just need to configure this transport. Okay, this transport. So here you have to write the correct host name, port, and then username, and then password, and then you can use any SMTP detail here. Okay, to send email. So that's it for this video. In next video we'll start working on post management system. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit on like button, and please subscribe my channel.